Here we will write a Python program to find factors of a given number. So in comment line, first we'll write. First we'll accept number from user. So n equal to int input, enter number to find factors. Then we'll define one integer variable I, which is initialized with 1, and we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to n, we will check if n mod I equal to 0, we will print the number, that is I, and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1, and we will execute this. I will enter number as 6. It will print 1, 2, 3 and 6. I will write here message print with formatting output, print factors of n are, and we will execute this. I will give number 6. It will print factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6.